pin jet or cone jet? Pin jets are ideal for removing dirt deposits from farm equipment and diggers, as in the case of these images. With a simple motion, you can switch from pin to cone jet. The cone jet is more suitable to clear away foliage and dirt from sidewalks and pavements. The accessories shown in the images are a Wet 50 Comfort Line ergonomic spray gun and a Canon lens included on all Agricola line pressure washers, the new professional pressure washers line developed to meet the needs of the agricultural market. Long operating life and ease of use characterize this new made-in-Italy range of professional washers that has been designed, patented and produced by Idrobase. The line offers many classic features of Idrobase brand professional pressure washers: strong frame, easily visible pump, effortless maintenance, an electric motor which breathes fresh air, as well as a simplified electric panel with just 2 on-off buttons. Country is an industrial pressure washer that is especially ideal for continuous and heavy-duty use, such as for sandblasting. Some of the main features of this professional cold water pressure washer include its chromium-plated steel frame, 1450 RPM industrial pump, vulcanized rubber wheels and the motor pump direct drive. It is available in 2 different models offering 170 or 250 bar of pressure. Traktor is a more versatile industrial pressure washer that allows for easy, effortless hydro washing. It is available in 6 different models, both in bypass and total stop version, with a pressure range from 150 to 200 bar.